installing the script, Mac version. Once you download and unzip your file, you will find these three files in here. So the two you'll need is these two. I will right click, go to copy, and then we come here in our applications. Let's search for our After Effects version, go to scripts, and simply right click and paste them here. Okay, I have already pasted them, so we don't need. Now let's launch After Effects, and let's go to Edit, Keyboard, Shortcuts, and we will expand a little bit right here. And now let's simply type easy_search, and let's scroll until we find it. Here it is. And now in this blank space, as you can see under the shortcut, we can click on it just here in the blank space and add our shortcut. So in this example, I will use Alt plus space and click OK. Now we can use the shortcut we assigned and run our script. So I will Alt space, and as you can see, my script is here and it's ready to go. Again, whenever our mouse is, as you can see. And now let's quit.